Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on the important update related to IBM CIC off campus recruitment process. So important updates coming out related to English assessment. So those students who have applied through our link and also those who apply, they are getting the mail. So thank you for applying to IBM. You are invited to complete IBM recorded spoken English assessment. This short and engaging assessment allow you to demonstrate your English speaking ability beyond what a traditional resume looks. Means first of all you have to give the communication test, then only they will further proceed. So next round will be the coding round. Related to that I'll make a detailed video. So first of all, those who got the mail must comment here whether you got and when did you apply. Those who haven't got the mail, no need to worry, you have to wait for some more time. So you can say IBM CIC off campus recruitment process, associate system engineer, ASC English assessment. So we are pleased to invite for the recruitment process, and the main thing that I want to tell that those who exam, use the good headphone, use the good system, and you should be having stable internet connection. And भाई आप जो टेस्ट देंगे it should be in a noise free environment. They have also given some important thing that this will basically allow artificial intelligence is used for both evaluate and score the certain competency in the test and the part of proctoring solutions, and an IBM recruiter will review all your information detail. So that's the thing I want to tell, that you have to be careful and you have to go through each and every points they are mentioning in the mail. Talking a little bit more the things that I want to tell, that those who haven't applied for the latest hiring which I have already posted must apply for that, because you know the students are getting reward, so you don't know when you will get reward or not. So keep applying for IF Compass Drive, especially for 2026 and 2025. There will be limited hiring for 2025, okay, and there will be good hiring for the 2026. So those who exam further, improve on your work on your communication skills, work on the coding skills, and these are things I want to tell, because further there will be the coding round, and if you need the video related to coding round and PYQs, you can comment here, okay, like the IBM. Then I provide that complete preparation tips, another important video, okay. So this is a short assessment and it will be around 30 to 40 minutes. Again, it completely depends on what are the test process. So related to that I'll also make a detailed video, but currently your main focus you should be having good communication skill and you should pass the test, because those who will clear the online assessment only, they will be getting the call for the interview and further process will be there, okay. So this is short update, and related to Infosys I have already made a detailed video related to that and coding questions and free preset material. So those who have exam further, just go through that video, okay. Still I think assessment mail has not been out, so whenever out I will provide update, but for the time being you have to focus on the important topics on the DSA like stack, queue, linked list, and the BFS, DFS, and other algorithms. So just best of luck those who exam for the IBM and Infosys. Give your best. कोई query feel free to ask her. You can connect on LinkedIn or Insta, anywhere you can ask your query. मिलते हैं next important update. Create REST API steps, 2 table you have to join. So means you have to go through the DBMS part especially and SQL part, that will play a critical role in your selections, and you have to go